Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm going to walk you through how to file a complaint in the Taco Bell on a device. So to know more about this, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as we know that the Taco Bell app lets you order food ahead, customize meals, earn rewards points, access exclusive deals, and find nearby location for pickup or delivery. So now to file a complaint with the Taco Bell, you can use the following methods. Like the first method is the very important step is you need to make sure that you have created an account or logged into this app, the Taco Bell. And unless you are logged into the account or created an account, you won't be able to order or cancel or complain or on your rewards or whatever its feature is available in this app. So after creating an account, you just need to open the Taco Bell app and go to the help or contact us sections, and after that you need to choose the relevant option to provide feedback or file a complaint regarding your experience. You need to follow these steps if you are doing from your app Taco Bell, or if you are doing from the Taco Bell website, you need to go to the Taco Bell contact us page and select the customer feedback option, and after that fill out the form with details about your complaints, including your orders, order number, store location, and a description of the issue, and submit the form, and the Taco Bell's customer service team will get back to you. And that's how you can just file a complaint through the website of Taco Bell. And or you can also call the Taco Bell customer support. Like you can just call Taco Bell customer service at 1-800-822-6235 to speak directly with the representative of the Taco Bell. You can also use the social media, like you can also reach out to Taco Bell by their official social media accounts like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram to share your complaints, and they often respond quickly to messages. Be sure to include details like your order number, location, and any specific about the issues to help resolve the complaint faster. So let me know if you need further assistance for this in our comment section below. That's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.